Come onto the mat with your feet hip wide open. Put your focus in front. And inhale, bring your hands onto the head. Interlock your fingers. Exhale. Then inhale, stretch all the way up. Balance onto your toes. Gazing somewhere on one spot will help you balancing your body. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Back straight. Feet remains hip width apart. Push your hip a little bit back. Hands slightly up. Keep the breathing normal. Then bend your knees, bring your arms up, chair pose. Make sure that your knee and ankle in one line. Inhale, exhale back. Come onto the top of the mat and bring your right leg back. Inhale, bring your arms up, shoulders down. Front knee on the 90 degree, the back leg is pressing backward. Inhale, exhale, open to warrior two. Inhale, exhale, back to warrior one. Inhale, exhale, release, and change your leg. Inhale, bring arms up. Check the foot, if it doesn't press all the way down, you can lift the heel up. It will cause a little bit more balance, but don't hurt your knee. If you can press, then see if you can press the heel down. Inhale, exhale, open into warrior two. Front knee 90 degree, left foot pressing down, look forward. Inhale, exhale back to warrior one. Inhale, exhale, release. Come back to the top of the mat. Shake your leg. Balance onto the right foot. Bend your left knee. Inhale, bring your right arm up. Exhale, bend forward. Again, gazing somewhere on one spot will help you balancing. Keep your breathing normal. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Come onto the left foot. Bend your right knee. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend forward. Hold, balance, and breathe. Inhale, exhale, come back. Bring your feet hip width apart. Sit in squatting. Join the palm together. Open your knees, back straight. Inhale, exhale, sit onto your hips. Join the sole of the feet together. Hold with your hands, lift your chest up, back straight, and shake your legs. Gradually stop. Bring the hands on the ground. Take support of the ground and lift your chest more up. And try keep your knee towards the ground. Inhale. With exhale, try go forward if possible without hunching. If you can bring your elbow on the ground, go ahead. Inhale, exhale back to the center, come back, stretch your left leg out, hold with your left hand, inhale, lift your chest towards the sky, exhale, bend towards the left, chest remain towards the sky. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale back, bring the leg forward, hands on the knees and bend forward. Bring your chest towards the knee. Inhale, reach out, up and down. Change your leg. Right leg out. Hold the big toe. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale towards the sky. Inhale, exhale, bend to the right. Inhale back. Bring the leg to the center. Hands on the knees. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, reach your hands out, up and down. Open your both legs out as wide as is possible in your body without hurting. Bring the hand forward, take support of the ground, bring your chest up and try bring your elbow towards the ground if possible. So So with each breathe out, you want to bring your elbow towards the ground without hunch. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Go into cat. Stand onto your knees and open your knees as wide as you can. Knee and ankle in one line. Elbows on the ground. After that, see if you can open your knees wider. Drop the heel down. Stay. The wider your knees, the more stretch you will feel onto your inner thighs, your hips growing around the sexual organs. Bring the hands out and try bring your chest to the ground, chin on the ground. Close your eyes. Push with your hands. Come back and lay onto your abdomen. Hands on top of each other, forehead onto your hands. Relax for about 10 to 15 seconds. And release your hands, bring the hands by the side of the body, palm facing upward, chin on the ground. Inhale, bring your right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Prepare. We are going to lift both legs, both hands and head together. Inhale. Lift your head, hands and leg up. Exhale down. Go back in Makrasana and rest for another 10 to 15 seconds. Good. And push with your hands. Come to the back. Lay down onto your back. Bend your knees. Hands by the side. Palm flat. Inhale. Push with your hands. Lift your hips up. Roll your shoulders towards the ground. And then if you can, support your back with your hands, go ahead, or else interlock your fingers and keep your hands on the ground. Inhale. As you exhale, come down. Lift the feet up off the ground and grab your soles of the feet with your hands for happy baby. Inhale. As you exhale, push with your hands your knee towards the ground. And rock side to side. Push more. The more you can push, the better it will be. Good, then bring your both legs towards the sky, palms by the side. And very slowly down. Feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling. Let go, and you can relax between 30 seconds to up to 2 minutes, depends on how much time you have for today's practice. And whenever you're ready, turn to your side. Slowly push with your hands. Sit up. Sit quietly for a while and see how practicing these yoga asanas helping you bring you into peace, calmness, easiness comes. Rub your palm together. Bring onto your eyes and face. Give thanks in prayer pose. And very slowly open your eyes. Namaste.